The New Energy Summer Summit at Dartmouth College's Irving Institute for Energy and Society, an intensive multi-day idea exchange, bringing together advanced PhD students, postdoctoral scholars, and new faculty across the full range of disciplines, across energy and climate, energy and society.
We have researchers who are in humanities, who are in anthropology, geography, we have economists, we have climate scientists, we have folks who are working on developing new types of solar cells, we have social scientists. They all really share this mission of figuring out how they can apply their work to the climate crisis and to transitioning to sustainable energy systems.
It's almost like a chemistry experiment where there's a reaction and the catalyst is just bringing people together. This one eureka moment where all of a sudden you have someone who is in religious studies being able to, tell you the connection between faith and energy, or how energy cultures are described in different ways.
By having a small cohort here, they can work more deeply with each other and really kind of find connections that it's too difficult to find in a larger group. And it also creates a very kind of safe space to be creative and explore in a way that is not often nurtured as much in an academic setting.
Fresh perspectives on not just how to solve problems, but on how to understand problems.
Because some of them only working with a computer in the office, but never actually go to the lab and to see how the technology was developed in the lab scale.
For me, as an electrical engineer, the most valuable conversations were the farthest from the math and the physics, and most on the ethical meaning for why you're using that math and physics.
They spend a lot of time interacting and working around sort of shared challenges and bringing their different perspectives to those challenges.
So our challenge statement is what guidelines and metrics should be used to define energy justice.
Not only know about science, but also know about the policies and know about how impactful it is can be to the community.
When we're thinking about trying to transition our energy systems or build new types of energy into our systems, who makes the decisions about how that happens and who's affected, who has a seat at the table and who doesn't.
The more people understand tribal lands and tribal communities, the better that they can bring in those historically excluded voices in the work that we do. So I was happy to share that knowledge.
The New Energy Summit has really given me the opportunity to connect with people and think about energy in a different capacity.
It is a culture of inclusivity, of engagement, of recognizing and celebrating diverse perspectives, but not stopping there, right? Figuring out then how do we move forward? How do we gain action and traction? Because we don't have any time to waste.
The New Energy Summer Summit, sharing ideas for innovative solutions to challenges of energy and society, advancing interdisciplinary collaboration and action, connecting emerging scholars, the Arthur L. Irving Institute for Energy and Society, and the New Energy Summer Summit at Dartmouth College. New energy for a brighter future.